how to create a free Proton mail account. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create a free Proton mail account. So let's get it started. First, you have to open any browser on your system. After you open browser, in the search field, you'll have to search for Proton. After you search and find the official site of Proton like proton.me, you'll have to tap on that. From Proton section, tap on create a free account. And from here, you'll have to scroll down until you find the options like get Proton for free. Alright, after you find it, tap on that. From this section, you'll have to provide your username and password to create a free account like I'm giving here my username. Alright, after you give your username and create your password, you'll have to tap on start using Proton Mail now. And from here, you'll have to just complete the human verification by completing this captcha from here. So drag this image path to this path. Alright, tap on next. Alright, now from here you can choose a display name like this name will be displayed out of your Proton mail. So simply give a display name and tap on continue. From this section, you can also add a recovery method like your email address or phone number, or you can also directly skip this, tap on maybe later. Alright, tap on confirm. Alright, as you can see, I have successfully created a Proton mail account for free. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.